May 6th, 1993. Yahweh speaks. My child, I Yahweh bless you. My kingdom is for the pure in heart. It is they who see my beauty. Anyone, my child, who cannot recognize my holy countenance, now that I am speaking, are those of whom my wisdom shies away. Unless they become like children, nothing will ever be revealed to them. So pray for those souls who are blinded by their own wisdom. Have you not heard that wisdom will erect the poor and give them a place with the great? Pray especially much for those who say they see, and judge my Holy Spirit in these messages. For this is how they persecuted my beloved Son and the prophets before him. Except a man be born again, he cannot see my kingdom. Come, I give you my peace, trust me. Signed Alpha and Omega.